It's all pink. Oh my god, this is so large. Is this the biggest Lilly Pulitzer haul you ever did see? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I wanted to do something a little bit different. That is going to be a Lilly Pulitzer haul. I don't really show that brand on my channel, like not really for any reason. They are pretty expensive, but if I had to describe myself in a clothing brand, it would be Lilly. So I really love them. I've had dresses from them since high school. Pretty good shape for the most part. I have shoes from there. I just bought a hat from there, a top from there when I went to Martha's Vineyard for a weekend at the end of April. And then I also got a dress that I'm going to wear for my brother's wedding. And I think Lilly dresses are actually really great to wear in hot weather because for the most part they are sleeveless if you buy a sleeveless one, and the material doesn't make you feel too hot. It's not like they claim like, oh, this is so cooling or anything like that, but I just find that it has worked really well in very hot weather. I just love Lilly Pulitzer so much. This is the most recent. I just got these packages in today. What prompted me to actually make the purchases is that last weekend, if you made a purchase of at least $150 or $160, you would get a set of 4 printed plates, and the plates are really cute. They're for outdoor dining, but you can also use them for indoor dining. And they have different patterns on them. One had sailboats, one had underwater theme, coral and stuff like that. I thought those were really cute. If you spent at least $300, which I was getting to that point, I made 2 purchases, so it wouldn't be like almost $400. But if I had put everything into one purchase, I definitely would have gotten the pitcher and cup set. But I looked at the pitcher and cup set. It was okay looking. I definitely didn't need it. I just made a second purchase, so then I got more plates. So now I have a total of 8 plates. I actually needed things, but I absolutely love the brand. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first we have this bag. How cute is the print? You definitely know it's from Lilly Pulitzer when you see pink, hot pink, and then this kind of print. So I'm just gonna open that first, but then I want to show the bigger box. It's kind of heavy actually. Oh my god, it doesn't even fit in the frame. Okay, so that's the box. Yep. Okay, big paper. This is my romper. I'm gonna include pictures of all these products, but this romper is so cute. I am a size 00. In their clothing, I've tried 0 and it's honestly so big on me. Their sizing is a little bit different. I think it's more like true to size. Ugh. Print, oh my god, so pretty. So this romper actually looks like a mini dress, and you would never know it was a romper because the front and the back, the shorts don't show. So that's kind of nice actually. And it's called the Xenon Ruffle romper, and it's in the print Magnolia Lilac a little. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I'm only looking at it through the viewfinder, but it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And it has little ruffles around the top. In the back, it has adjustable straps, and it has a zipper pretty much down to the dress, but not quite. Oh, I didn't even notice that. So it actually has ruffling down the sides. I know it's a little bit hard to show, but once you lift up this dress part, the shorts are completely underneath, so you don't even see the shorts like I mentioned. I can't wait to try this on. So cute. The colors in here are so pretty. Actually, the ruffle isn't down the side, it's more in the front. So that was all that was in that bag. And now I can open the big old box. So my receipt says, how do you follow the sun? Follow us at Lilly Pulitzer, #MakeItSunny. That's cute. Trying to figure out how to open this. Oh my god, the lining is pink. Guys, hold up. I have to show you this. So it's more like as if you got a subscription box in the mail to fold over. That makes more sense. Okay. Can I open this now? Pink. It's all pink. Oh my god, this is so large. Is this the biggest Lilly Pulitzer haul you ever get to see? Because I think for me it is. Oh my god, it's falling. Oh my god, I can't even put it in the frame. It's so large. Okay, that's gonna knock something off. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, so I know that the cost of the second order was like over $260, or maybe it was like $253. Pretty sure it's that. So I got a, wait, that's, okay, this is a little bit confusing. I made 2 purchases, but I only got 1 set of plates, even though in my cart for like the first purchase with the Romper, it said that there was plates with it, but then there's also plates for this, so that's really confusing. Well, anyway, so I ordered a cooler. I saw this in the Martha's Vineyard store and my jaw dropped. Well, I was wearing a mask, but it dropped. And this print is beautiful. It's so pretty. It's so me. This is the cooler, and I thought this would be great for basically any summer party. I mainly bought this for the beach because when I'm out on the sand in the chair, what I drink is water on the beach, and it's just sitting there in the sun, which is really unhealthy, or really any drink for that matter. It is actually a lot smaller than I thought on the inside, but it does come with a strap. You can carry it a little bit easier besides gold handle it has on the top here. What's really interesting is that this actually didn't get a great rating, and all the reviews were like pretty bad except for like a couple, but I was like, I'm just gonna try it because I need a cooler and this is really pretty, so why not? This actually doesn't fold over. It's actually a zip top, the plaque of Lilly Pulitzer right here, but it actually feels like really good quality and it seems very sturdy, so I'm excited to use it. But I also went on the paper store because I know that they sell Lilly Pulitzer accessories, and those ones got good reviews. This one at the paper store didn't have any reviews at all. They have the coolers and more prints on the paper store, and on Lilly's website they only have this print and another one. The other ones at the paper store, they had great reviews, so I'm kind of confused on why this one, which is the exact same product, got like bad reviews while the other ones didn't. I don't know, but these are the 2 little hooks on the side to attach that strap. I'm pretty sure my friend Jamie has a Lilly Pulitzer cooler. I think she's had hers for like a few years. This will be great, and especially like by the pool too. I have a pool, but I think this would be really nice as well, so I'm excited to use this. It feels like really good quality. This is called a Skipper, and it has a UPF of 50. This is a crop sweatshirt. I thought that this would be perfect either for the beach towards the end of the day or just day to day, going on errands. I don't think I'd wear it to the gym. I don't want it to like get dirty or anything, but it is really cute and it definitely feels like activewear. It could be used as like a swimsuit cover up, even though it's not marketed as that, but this feels so nice and it's stretchy. But like, how cute would that be just for running errands? Just like throw something on, or even just wear around the house. It's so pretty. And then I got a beach cover up. It's more see-through, but it's gonna be really hard to see, so that picture is going to do more justice than this. But I'm not like a huge fan of cover-ups, but I know at my beach at the bar, after 5 you have to wear a top or some sort of cover-up instead of just your bathing suit. Like, they're really strict on that. They literally won't let you into the bar as long as it's on the top. If you don't have to have anything on the bottom. I'm very excited. It looks super cute. The last thing I have for this haul are the free set of 4 plates that I got. Oh my god, those are heavier than I thought. Are these glass? Oh. I was thinking about these are plastic, but maybe they're not plastic. So it's just what it looks like. Resort White Sway With Me Gift with Purchase Engineered Plate. No, wait. No, it's plastic. It's just really heavy. Wow. Ooh, cute. Make sure you clean the plates before first time use. Do not use bleach or cleaners containing chlorine. Clean, avoid soaking and scrubbing. Dishwasher safe. Do not place in microwave. Do not place in freezer. This item is breakable. Use caution when handling. Do not use if it has been dropped, cracked, not intended for use by children. But it wasn't bubble wrapped, and it just has this around it to keep the plates together. Oh, okay. I lifted up the first plate and I was like, oh, maybe they're not like all different prints, but it's just 2 prints. This is what the plate looks like. Very pretty. Super summery. That matches my nails. And then it also says LILLY Pulitzer on the back. So we have that seashell design. Then we have the sailboat design. Really cute. That is it for today's haul. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos on beauty and health, and click that notification bell if you want to be notified when I do upload, which is once a week. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.